Item number 3, we have a speaker for Parkway and Valley High Water Meter Retrofit Project, and that is Nathan Sween.
Hi, Nathan Sween, District 6. I'm in favor of this project. I think it's good to, spend our tax dollars, putting it back into the city, refurbishing anything, updating anything we need to. But I think there are parts that we could, things in the budget we could cut out before you start spending on new projects. And for the utilities department, the main thing that you could cut out is water fluoridation. Like, for example, this project, it's over $5 million. Just on purchasing the chemicals for water fluoridation is over $1 million. And that money is being, the fluoride is being purchased from Solvay Fluorides, which isn't even an American company. So that that's $1 million of tax dollars that's being taken out of Sacramento, out of the state, out of the country, and it's ridiculous. And there was even the Department of Utilities even did a study in 2010 that showed that 99.9% of the fluoride in the water doesn't even go to the target, which is your teeth. So even if you do think that fluoridation is good and it's a good idea, putting fluoride in the water is a stupid idea. When you go to the dentist for fluoride treatment, I mean, I did this, my family's done this, they don't tell you, here's a glass of fluoride water, drink it, because it doesn't make any sense. Most of the fluoride goes in the rest of your skeleton, it goes to your vital organs, your brain. If you go to the dentist, they give you topical fluoride treatment, because then 99.9% of the fluoride actually goes to your teeth where it's supposed to go, instead of just going down the drain. It's a waste of $1 million. And that's not even including how much it costs to keep all these systems updated and to maintain, checking the levels. You have to check the levels every month. You have to report the levels to the state. I mean, this is a waste of money we could be spending on more projects like this. Thanks.